Hello everybody, my name is Game Free Tutorials, and today I'm gonna show you how to get a reverse string and how to find out if a string is a palindrome in C# Windows applications. So I only have unregistered version of Bandicam, so we only have 10 minutes, but let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna need the button. You're not gonna need one, but if you're gonna do, I'm just for video purposes, to do it however you want to, you can get the code wherever you want to. So firstly, let's get two text boxes just to demonstrate this to you guys. So this is the first text box and this is the second text box. So the first one's gonna be named original. The second one is gonna be named reversed, because my idea is to type in something in this one, then reverse the text in this one, so you guys can see what's up. This one is gonna be, button one is gonna be, is it a palindrome? Hope I spelled that right, because I'm not a native English speaker, so hope I did spell that right. Yeah, okay, so let's open up a code for all of these three. Let's go to the first one first. So yes, let's put one original. So this one is gonna have, this is the reversed one. So the reversed one, if you can imagine this, I'll open up a paint. If you can imagine this, I'll explain it to you guys. This is a whole. Okay. When you type in a string, text box only has strings. So text box only has strings, and it can only display read write strings. Strings, it can only do that. In order to get, let's say this is our palindrome, it's gonna be the word we're gonna enter, and in order to get this word, to check if this word is a palindrome, you're gonna have to convert it into a char array, which is made out of these characters, T, I, and M, Tim. This is gonna be the char array of this word. So how to do that? And then what you're gonna do? You're gonna do /.reverse method, which basically goes from this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, and you can't do 0, 1, 2 with this one, because if I was to convert this string into an array, this array would basically have the whole array. This is like one word, one string would have the value 0. So with converting it into a string, we can basically into a char. We can basically go from the other side, which is 2, and we can do 2, then go to 1, and then go to 0, which is basically gonna give us MIT, mit, and yeah. So how to do that is very simple. So we're gonna convert the string into an array. So char, as I said, we need to make a char array, which is made out of characters, letters. Char, the name of our array is gonna be array. This is gonna be 1. Array 1 equals text box equals original dot text dot to char array. This is gonna make it into a char array. And now what you're gonna do now is now when you have this, you can basically play with it. You can basically you can reverse it. So array, this is the method I was talking about before, and the name of this. And now let's change the reversed dot text. We only have 10 minutes, so 5 more minutes. I'm really, if I can't explain everything in this video, you guys are gonna have to go to the other video. Yeah. Text equals new string, and I'm gonna explain this to you in a second. So as I said, paint in the painter, as I said, text box can for some reason only display strings, just this step, and that's what we did with this line of code over here. We displayed it as a string, and what we did with dot reverse, we did this dot reverse method basically did this. It ran from 2, 1 to 0, which is this. And now this, basically this char over here is now MIT. It has a value of MIT. And it's a char, but when we did slash new when we did the new string method, it converted it to MIT, which is MIT. This is now our string MIT, and yeah. So now we can basically start up the program, and it should give us the build succeeded, okay, and it should to Tim for this, for the purpose of this MIT. As you can see, this has the value of MIT, and now palindrome doesn't do anything yet, so we're gonna get to that in a second. So what we're gonna do for the palindrome part is we're gonna make 2 more arrays, because these values in this one don't count for this one, so we're just gonna make 2 more arrays just to clarify that. 1q just for the purpose of this not going to shit. And original, just repeat the steps you did before. Basically do this, make 2 arrays because we're gonna compare them to each other, and 2q just for the purpose. Make 2 arrays just to compare them to each other, and I'm gonna and now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna array. We're gonna reverse the first array because it's gonna be in the array we're gonna have reversed 1q. 2 more minutes. Yeah. Now this array is gonna go to. We're gonna convert them into. We're gonna make 2 more strings, which is first. You can make him whatever you want to. This is basically going to convert into a string. 1q dot to upper. So why to upper? It's because for some reason I'll make this video into 2 videos. See ya in the second video, boys.